I saw a post on Instagram about the brand new iPhone 12. You can fly to Dubai, buy iPhone 12 and still save money. Let's see if this is actually true. So you guys might be wondering what's the price of iPhone 12 Pro and 12 here in Dubai. So let's go inside and take a look at the prices of all the devices they have over here. Oh, what's up, bro? By the way guys, this is Shahad. He's going to explain us the prices of all these phones they have over here. So let's start with the iPhone 12 Pros. Bro, what's the price of iPhone 12 Pro here in Dubai?
In Dubai, its price around 4950 plus VAT.
That will be around 5,100 dirham. Why is the price so high right now?
Because right now there is no stock in the market. Even Apple Store, they don't have out of stock. Because that's why the price is high in the market, black market price actually.
It's black market rate. So the price will reduce after 20 days.
It will reduce. And in the official price also, less we can get it from here.
Okay, and what I noticed is this, that I'm not sure whether you guys can see that it's actually US spec. It's not UAE spec because it's not written in Arabic.
Yeah.
Why is it like that?
Because in Dubai, there are almost Indian customers coming. They need FaceTime.
FaceTime.
So we directly order from the US, so they can provide FaceTime.
Okay.
In UAE, you will not get FaceTime.
Okay.
There will be no application in your phone in
Okay, sweet. So this is a UAE spec, I guess, yeah? Because it's written in Arabic. I'm not sure whether you guys can see that this is in English and this is in Arabic. So what I learned from here is this, that after 20 days, the price will be reduced. Because right now, if you compare the price of this in Indian rupees, it will be around 1 lakh and
1,50,000.
1,50,000 right now.
Yeah.
Okay. So after 20 days, it will be around 84,000 rupees. Okay, sweet.
iPhone is a such kind of device. If it's 2 lakhs also, the people will be buying.
Yeah, people will buy if the price is 2 lakh also. Yeah, come on, it doesn't even come with an adapter. What's the price of Samsung Galaxy Note 20 here in Dubai?
Note 20 4G you will get 2,350.
2,350. That's like
In rupees you will get around like 47,000.
47,000 rupees for Note 20. This is Note 20, Note 20 Ultra. What about Note 20 Ultra?
Note 20 Ultra 8GB plus 512GB 3,750 plus VAT also there.
Okay.
VAT will be refunded from your airport.
Okay. The VAT will be refunded to you at the airport. We completely missed the iPhone 12. What's the price of iPhone 12?
iPhone 12 the pricing around starting basic variant GB 3,400
3,400.
and 128GB 3,600.
3,600. So there's a 2,000 dirham gap. 2,000 dirham gap between iPhone 12 and 12 Pro. And what do you prefer? iPhone 12 Pro or iPhone 12?
I basically prefer iPhone 12 Pro.
12 Pro.
It's 6.1 size big and it has more clarity compared to iPhone 12.
I think this is the cheapest phone you guys have over.
Samsung
Okay, M31.
M31
And what's the price of this?
785.
785. Okay, sweet. We even have iPhone 8 over here, bro. What's the price of iPhone 8 here?
iPhone 8 is around 1,600. Not 8, it's SC 2020.
Okay, so this is it's not 8. It's going for 1,600.
1,600.
So guys, as I said, iPhone 12 is going for 3,600 dirhams. That's like 68,000 rupees. Whereas iPhone 12 Pro is going for 5,100 dirhams. That's like 1,40,000 rupees. I know the prices are a bit high right now, but don't worry, it will go down in 1 month. Within 1 month, the price of iPhone 12 Pro will be around 84,000 rupees, whereas this will be 40,000 rupees. And so yeah, you shout out to watch and talk. Make sure to check their shop out. I'll leave a link right below in the description. They even have a lot of perfumes in this side. Bro, what's the price of perfumes?
I have all perfume and branded and unbranded, everything.
All of these are original?
Yeah, all original. I have tester also.
Tester also, sweet.
It's all brand testers.
Damn, nice. They have Bose, Hugo Boss and stuff like that.
Victoria's Secret.
Damn, that's crazy. They even have watches over here. Just take a look at this Titan, Casio. Like literally, guys, make sure to check the shop out. They have a ton of stuff. So yeah, anyway, let's go to Computer Plaza. Alright guys, so before we go to Computer Plaza, let me introduce you guys to the sponsor of this video. This video is sponsored by Sadis Armor Gaming Headset. This is one of the best affordable gaming headset you can find right now in the market. This is the world's first gaming headset with an inbuilt Realtek gaming audio chip. This headset is made for gamers. If you're a gamer like me and you're planning to buy an affordable headset right now, then this is for you. Let me give you guys a rundown on what all this bad boy has. It's having a built-in Realtek gaming audio chipset specially tuned by Sadus and Realtek to provide vivid gaming sound. Comes with an adjustable suspension headband, a flexible microphone and leather earmuffs. And also the headset comes with a multi-function inline remote and a gold-plated USB plug. What more do you want? And also, I completely skipped this part. This is an RGB headset. That means it lights up and you can change the color by pressing this button. I know what you guys are thinking after hearing this crazy list of features this headset offers. So this headset is up for sale right now at the nearest GK stores. I will leave a link right below in the description. It's super affordable. So if you guys are interested, first link in the description, go and check them out. So a huge shout out to Sadus for sponsoring this video. So anyway, let's go to Computer Plaza. Alright, so right now I'm here at Computer Plaza. This is where you can find computer-based equipment such as a gaming chair, gaming PC, gaming headset, gaming keyboard, etc. for extremely cheap rates. And if you guys are planning to build a gaming PC, then this is heaven for you guys. Like you can find graphics cards, chips, etc. for extremely cheap rates. So anyway, let's explore this place as well. Alright, so the first shop which I came is called Alpha Streets Computer Clinic. Oh my god, guys, just take a look at this gaming PC they have over here. This thing is going for 9,000 dirhams. That's crazy. What's the price of this gaming PC?
This costs you around like 5 to 6k.
5,000 to 6,000
yeah.
dirhams.
The processor will be i7 and RT 2060 Super with the liquid cooling from Thermaltake. And, yeah, P3 case as well.
That's crazy. What about the gaming seats?
Yeah, chairs I have from Under Seat. This is a brand. These brands has 5 years warranty as well.
Wow.
And one of the best comfortable chair which I have right now.
What's the rate for that?
This one goes to 1,100 dirham.
1,100.
Yeah.
Oh my god, it's comfortable as well for
Yeah,
gaming.
very comfortable.
Like if you're streaming or something, then this is the best thing you guys should buy.
Yeah.
That's crazy. What about the monitor?
For your, if you're looking for very good monitor, I have from AOC brand 240 Hz monitor with 0.5 mm. I can provide the price for 1350.
1350. What's the most expensive graphics card you guys have?
Right now it's running on 3090, but still no one has stock. I have 3080 right now.
Two guys for
From,
3080?
Yeah.
That's crazy.
It's Zotac. Running
Zotac.
shortage in market right now.
I know. What's the price of this?
This one, yeah, even I have PNY as well.
Crazy. What's the price of this?
It's official price is like $700 something. Yeah, right now it's the price is 4,200, you know,
4,000.
because running shortage in the market.
Crazy. What's the price of this? 760 dirhams. Which is the best mechanical keyboard you guys have?
I have from Red Dragon.
Let's try this.
Yeah, one of the best keyboard. It's very cheap and very good.
What's the price of this?
This one costs 180.
180 dirhams. It looks cool as well. This is a mechanical keyboard.
Yeah, even Pantec as well.
What about this? What's the cheapest keyboard you guys have?
Yeah. It's basically we are dealing with the gaming series, starting from 180, 160, 150 I can provide for Daksha.
Daksha.
Yeah.
And
It's
what
from Red
about
Dragon.
this brand?
Yeah.
Oh wow. Nice. So bro, can you give them an idea about what do you guys provide?
If you're looking for full specification, it's like around, if you have budget for 4,000 dirham, I can provide Core i5, 2060 graphic card, 2060 graphic card, and 16 GB RAM from Corsair, and Z490 UD motherboard from Gigabyte, and 650 watt power supply. As a case.
Yeah.
Can choose
Case.
yourself
Can
and,
you show me some case pieces?
Yeah, sure. If you have budget, these cases are for the budgets. Right now it's very selling cases, even these are
Okay, that one looks cool, but I think I'll prefer this.
Yeah.
What's the price of this case?
These cost you 330 dirham.
330 dirham. Okay.
And these are from the Corsair,
Uh-huh.
and which I have expensive Corsair cases as well.
Okay, and what about liquid cooling? And for 4,000 dirhams, can you provide me liquid cooling?
Yeah, I can provide all-in-one AIO. It called as
Hey,
AIO.
can you show me a piece?
But 64 GB RAM from which brand?
This is liquid cooling I can provide.
Okay, but we can't see the liquid though.
Yeah, it doesn't.
Two
See,
by
you cannot see the liquid cooling.
Okay.
It's called as AIO. Basically, our shop is in Dubai, Alliance Center.
Uh-huh.
It's near to the, when you enter, near to the subway. Shop
Near
name
to
is
the
called-
subway.
Yeah, shop name is called as Alpha Street Computer.
आपको
Okay, so guys, make sure to check their shop out, and if you say my name, then you guys might get some discount, right?
Sure, they will.
So guys, it's located in Dubai Computer Plaza.